Hello, I'm Nick from Nera-S, and today I'm going to talk about new portable TSCM Kit TROIKA. In practice of TSCM control, there are many cases when specialists need to get on site without attracting too much attention. Our new portable kit TROIKA is designed to help you to stay undercover.
TROIKA consists of 3 devices which are essential for TSCM control. Mini Nonlinearity Detector Booklet 2, High-Speed Scanning Receiver Scorpion 3.5, Hidden Camera Detector Optic 2. A portable nonlinearity locator Booklet 2 is a compact device intended to discover appliances which contain semiconductor units. The discoverable appliances may be both in activated or in non-activated condition. Scorpion 3.5 is intended to detect and locate automatically all signals transmitted by illegal radio transmitters and to suppress radio channels accepting such signals. The radio monitoring system analyzes radio-electronic environment and records the revealed frequencies. It detects and locates a bugging transmitter operated in a controlled area and spot jams the signal of such detected illegal transmitter. Optic 2 discovers camera lenses by means of light ranging. Several light diodes which are located around axis of lens emit red, green or mixed red and green light depending on the program set. Such light makes hidden lens flare. In the viewfinder of Optic 2 you will see a red or green spot in the place where camera is hidden.